The ultimate Elven Forest clothing reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you love fantasy-inspired fashion, most people get this wrong by buying costume-like pieces that don't hold up. The surprising truth about Elven Forest clothing is that it combines fantasy aesthetics with wearable, high-quality apparel suitable for everyday use or events. First, visit the Elven Forest website. You won't believe how many shoppers skip browsing collections carefully. Filter by category, size, and material to find pieces that fit your style and wardrobe needs. Next, read reviews. Most people get this wrong by ignoring them. Verified user reviews share insights about fabric quality, fit, and comfort. Look for consistency to avoid surprises with sizing or material feel. Check sizing charts. The surprising truth is that fantasy styles often use unique cuts. Measuring yourself and comparing to charts ensures the right fit for both casual wear and cosplay events. Compare deals and promotions. You won't believe how often people miss discounts or seasonal offers. Signing up for newsletters can provide early access to new collections and exclusive discounts. In conclusion, Elven Forest clothing can take you from 0 to pro in fantasy-inspired fashion. By browsing thoughtfully, reading reviews, checking sizes and watching for deals, you can enjoy high-quality stylish clothing that blends fantasy charm with practical wearability.